Hi everyone. I wanted to walk you through the project that I mentioned on Twitter. So once you create or generate a project using Blitz new, it would generate this project you can see in here. And with some styling, I did like a landing page using some drawing elements from Andro.io. And then here I changed the sign up and login, so you can log in. I already created an account. And you can see here I can go to my dashboard, and here I would see the list of courses that I bought, and here the list of courses that I want to buy. And you can see here currently we don't have any, so let's create some courses that we can buy. To do that, we can do yarn studio, and if we go to our package JSON, you can see that this is calling the Prisma Studio. Here. And this will bring us to the studio where we can like create some courses. All right, so let's add a record. Usually you would be here in this homepage, and then these are the models that we created already. So we'll go to course and add a record for the ID, create add update add. That's fine. And then here we can call it maybe Blitz course. This is gonna be also Blitz course. For lessons, we don't have any for now. Let's say this one is gonna be $69, and the Stripe price test, or like the Stripe price ID, this we can get from Stripe. Let me sign in. Let's go to our products. And I already created some projects in here, so you can have like master Blitz or master Gatsby or something like that. I'm gonna take this one here and then go to the price and copy it, and then paste the price ID here. So this will be used later on when we create the checkout. And for the price, let's take the same as listed in here, so $79.99. And this is gonna be in cents, so we can do $79.99. What else? I think it doesn't have any membership yet because we didn't buy any course. And let's save this change and let's refresh. Okay, we have our course. So if we go to the dashboard and shop again, you can see we have this Blitz course, and this is kind of the detail. Obviously you could render these, but this is like the detail data that you get, and you can click checkout, and this will take you to the Stripe checkout portal. And then once you fill in you can see here the customer email is pre-filled already because we already have an account, and you can put in like the informations here, and then once they hit pay, this is test mode by the way, and once they hit pay, you can see that. Let's try it out. Usually like when you hit 424242, and then that's the name, and then hit pay. That's done, and will take me back to my success page. And then here you could pull in like some data already about what you bought, and give the customer, a nice summary about everything. And then here, when we go to courses, this does not work right now because I didn't set up a Stripe webhook that will connect and then fill in that data. But if you have the webhook set up, it will show up in here. All right, I think that's it about the project. If you have any more questions, just let me know.